this packet there's something fantastic. It came from South Korea, and I appreciate this a lot. And no writing that here you see the writings. This is Korean alphabet, and since I saw it, I wanted perhaps this, but later this. Now I show you. Let's open. South Korea, great country. I don't want to break it too much. Come on. By this way. By this way, by this way, and so. What is? Okay. This is just a cardboard. Wow. Are you ready for something fantastic and absolutely new, but not on YouTube? There are so many videos about this, but to me this is the most exciting thing you can buy. Wonderful, wonderful Team Associated RC10 1/24 scale, and the box is absolutely similar to the 110. You know, I have two 110, one standard and one not full but almost full carbon one. But when I saw this, I told to myself, perhaps this will be the last RC car I'm gonna buy. And I have a lot. Don't worry, I have a lot of cars I can do videos also when I will be dead, but buying, perhaps this will be the last one. Okay, if there's something exceptional